What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to give you detailed step-by-step instructions on how to hand wash silk properly. Before we do anything, it's extremely important that you first check your silk garment's care label. If the care instructions require the garment to be dry cleaned only, then take it to the dry cleaners and don't try to wash it at home. If the care instructions allow for hand washing, then keep watching this video. Let's start by getting together everything we need to hand wash silk. The first thing you need is a place to hand wash your silk. I use a storage container because it's the right size and it's nice and deep. You could also wash your silk in a clean sink, a basin, or even a bathtub. The second thing you're going to need is silk detergent or detergent for delicates. I'm going to be using Woolite delicates, however there's plenty of other options out there. And the third thing you're going to need is some absorbent towels to dry off your silk once we're finished. And today, I'll be using this beautiful mulberry silk men's pajama top to teach you how to hand wash silk. Let's get started. Step 1. Fill your basin with lukewarm water. Your water should be no hotter than 77 degrees Fahrenheit or 25 degrees Celsius, which means when you touch it, it should feel slightly warmer than room temperature. Step number 2. Add your detergent. Check the label for instructions on how much to add. In step number 3, we're going to submerge our silk in the water and let it sit for 3 minutes. Step number 4, we're going to use our hands to mix and agitate the silk in the water. Do this for another 2 or 3 minutes. Now that we're finished washing our silk, we're going to go rinse it under cold water to remove all the soap. Step number 5, rinse your silk under cold water until the water runs clear and all the soap has been removed. Step number 6. Lay your silk evenly on an absorbent towel and gently roll it inwards to remove the excess water. For step number 7, hang or lay your silk flat to dry in a cool place out of contact with direct sunlight. Thank you for watching the video. If you found the video useful, give us a like or hit the subscribe button. Our channel also has other videos related to silk care. So if you would like to learn how to machine wash silk or how to iron silk, subscribe to our channel. See you next time.